Listen. I just heard the Lord say that he's about to bless somebody. I mean, listen, for those that know the story concerning the prodigal son, and if you could remember the story when the one of the prodigal sons actually left home and he wanted his share of his portion. And when he left home with riches. He left home with abundance. He left home with a lot. But when all his portion was gone, when he got through getting used by household friends or whatever, he had nothing. So he decided he wanted to return home back to the Father, right? And so the Lord dropped in my spirit. My God, I want somebody to catch this, okay? So the Lord dropped in my spirit. And then this is including me. For somebody that returned back home to the Father. My God, do you remember when his father heard him from afar off? And when he heard his son coming from afar off, and so he had his servants to go get the best robe there was. He had his servant to go get a ring to put on his son's finger. My God, he had his servants to go get sandals to put on his son's feet. Listen, God is about to bless somebody's socks off. You hear me? God is about to give you the blessing that you never even deserved. He finna give you the finest meal. He finna give you the finest of everything. Why? Because you return back home to him. And they said, and in my understanding, it said that his brothers got jealous. He got jealous. Now, in your returning, come on, listen to this. In your returning back to the Father, don't expect for everybody to be happy for you. Don't expect some of that loved ones and family members to be happy for you. Don't expect that those also supposed to be friends and buddies to be happy for you. God dropped this in my spirit. Everybody not going to be happy to see you return back home to the Father. They're not going to be happy to see that. But rejoice and celebrate who you are in Christ. Enjoy who you are in God, because God is about to bless you like never before. I'm telling you, instant miracles, instant blessing, instant. Some things gonna come that it's gonna come so fast that it's even gonna amaze and shock you. That you even, God, I don't deserve this. The prodigal son said, I don't deserve this. He asked his father to let me be a servant. But you wasn't designed to be a servant. You wasn't made to be a servant. You will catch this later. Somebody went over somebody's head. But it also went in somebody's heart. Because somebody received it. Somebody's about to get blessed. Somebody about to walk into prosperity. Somebody about to walk into healing. Somebody about to walk into deliverance. Somebody about to walk into their many blessing. Somebody about to tap into some things they didn't even know that they could even tap into. All because you return back home to the Father. I didn't go live with this, and I had to record it because I tried to do my YouTube, and I can't get on YouTube live, so I decided just to record this. I got hyped up, y'all. So I didn't go Facebook live in order for me to post this on my YouTube channel. But y'all, I'm telling you, I'm hyped for Jesus. And I know somebody going to say, oh, you only hyped for a little while, baby. No, I'm hyped for eternity. I'm sold out. Play with it. God bless you. God bless you. I love you. Until we meet again.